Couple found murder on Old Arbor Road. 55-year-old woman found dead at St. Anne home. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A couple was shot and killed at their home on Old Arbor Road in St. Catherine early Sunday morning. The police are still trying to identify the deceased man and woman and establish a motive for the attack. Preliminary reports are that about 4 a.m., residents heard explosions at 46 Old Arbor Road. About 10 a.m., checks were reportedly made at the dwelling and the bodies were seen. The Cave Valley Police in St. Anne are investigating the death of a 55-year-old woman whose body was discovered at her house on Friday evening. The deceased has been identified as Gwendolyn Thompson, otherwise called Pamela, of Cascade District in the parish. Reports are that about 6 p.m. on Friday, residents detected a foul odor coming from the house that she occupied.